Want to directly post from edits to Instagram? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's how you can directly post to Instagram. Start by heading over to your application edits. You have to make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account that you want to post. Once you are in the home page, import the video that you want to upload to your Instagram Reels. Once it has been uploaded here, now you can edit this video with all of these features below. Edit according to your need. Once the edit has been completed, tap on Export at the top right corner of the screen. Wait for a while for it to process. Once done, you can see the option of Share to Instagram. Simply click on it. It will directly open up Instagram with the video that you have edited. Now enter the caption, tag people, add location, and many more. Once you are done, simply tap on Share at the bottom of the screen. After that, Reels will be uploaded successfully, and then you'll be good to go. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.